Do you have a pool, or are you planning to build one? Do you feel your pool temperature is too cold for comfort? Are you looking for alternatives to lower your pool heating bill? In the next 3 minutes, you will understand why solar pool heater is the best form of pool heating. There is no other way to heat up your pool as efficient and as sustainable as solar pool heaters. Most of the time, pool water is too cold for us to enjoy it. While we pay for the maintenance of the pool, we really can't use it. There are many ways of heating a pool. For you to truly appreciate solar pool heaters, you have to know the alternatives and how much it will cost to operate it. As a matter of fact, it is easier to convince those who have electric or gas heaters or even heat pumps because they already know the huge recurring cost to heat up a pool. Owning a heater is not the same as operating it. For gas heaters, you can try to heat 1 kettle of water to see how long it takes to change the temperature. It takes several minutes for a 10-liter kettle. Compare that to about a 30,000-liter pool, which is about the volume of a 25-square-meter pool. You will know it will need a lot of fuel to heat that amount of water. Same for electric heaters. A 9,000-watt heater is equivalent to 12 aircons. One aircon is about 750 watts. Sometimes one electric heater is not enough, and some can go as high as 15,000 watts. It will take hours to just increase 1 degree. That's a lot of energy for heating the pool, and you have to repeat that over and over again when the pool turns cold. Same for heat pump-based heating. It requires electricity to run the compressor. This equipment is even more expensive than the others to own and run. Most of the time, the heat pumps are sized too small for the pool because of the price of the heat pump. The result is the compressor's life is shortened. While for solar pool heaters, the heating is free. It's zero electricity, zero gas, and almost zero maintenance. It doesn't have moving parts, no burning of fuel. Unlike other forms of heating, this one is sustainable and guilt-free, and it's easy to use and operate. If you compare the equipment cost, solar pool heaters may even be the cheapest among all the available heaters. Just remember, it is the recurring heating cost that is very expensive, and it is this part that many people miss, and even some try to convince themselves that it doesn't cost much to operate until the actual bill comes. If you have a pool, then solar Thermo tank pool heater is a must. It's the only choice. Why Thermo tank pool heaters? Because it's zero electricity, zero gas, proven technology, easy maintenance. It uses the latest vacuum tube technology. One-time investment will last for many years. For more information, please visit us at solarthermotank.com, the leader in free hot water technology.